Hey, this is Sid with Cardino Nursery, and today I would like to talk about seed germination. To be more specific, I would like to talk about seed scarification. There's many different types of seeds. Some are small, some are really big, but some of the seeds, they come with a hard shell, almost like a coconut. And in order for the seeds to germinate, moisture needs to get inside of the seed in order for the seeds to germinate. And one way that something that we do to facilitate that, to speed the germination, is to scarify the seed. What I mean with scarify the seed, you want to expose, you kind of want to break the hard shell or scrape it off or do something in order to create an opening for the moisture to get inside and trigger the germination. A good example is this one here. This is Adansonia digitata. This is the baobab. This one here is the intact seed, and this is the one that was scarified. As you can see here, I made a little hole with a small grinder that I have, and it exposed the white inside. You just need to expose a little bit. Once I do that, I throw them in a jar of water overnight, which is what happened to these two guys here. And you can see these ones were not scarified. Those were intact seeds. And those were scarified. As you can see here, they are almost like 50% larger than the ones that were not scarified. You can see here the little holes. So what happened is these seeds, they absorb the water and the seed swollen. So these guys are ready to be planted. And these guys here, you can plant it. Eventually they will germinate too, but the germination might not be even, and some might take a long time to germinate. These ones here are going to germinate really fast. And to show you exactly what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you these two trays. This is a different plant. This is a Cassia fistula, which also has like a hard shell around the seed, like for protection. And this tray here, all the seeds were scarified. These ones, they were not. This one here, we have like 5 plants that germinate. These ones, there's over 20 here. But there is a big difference here, because I have way more seeds in this tray than I have on this one here. And these ones that germinate, like when I put the seeds, once I scarify them and I put inside of the water, all of these guys here almost double its size. This batch here were the ones that I did not scarify. As you can see here, there's some seeds that are still intact. Those were not scarified, so there's a lot of seeds here. But these ones that germinate, when I put them overnight, the undamaged, intact seeds inside of the water, some of the seeds on the next day, they were swollen. That means that probably there was a crack on the shell or something that the water got in, and those are the seeds that germinate. So there is a big difference when you do that. And these seeds, another thing, these seeds were not young. Those seeds were like almost a year old. So if they were fresh seeds, they probably will have all of them germinating really fast. So that's what I would like to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was something useful for you. Of course, you don't have to scarify every single seeds. There's a lot of seeds. They are very soft, skin protecting the seeds. They don't have these hard shells. Another ones are very tiny. It's almost impossible for you to do anything. Some people sometimes just rub them on sandpaper, a little bit. But what I'm talking about in these videos are the ones with the hard shells. That's one way that you can do in order to speed up and have a more even germination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was useful to you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.